Birds down low in the white below, whispering secrets that nobody knows. Cold winds howling, but they stand tall, bravest of all in the quiet snowfall.
Winter chill gripping, but their hearts warm, huddled together through each storm. Eyes like jewels in the frosty morn, songs of life in the frozen dawn. Birds in the snow shining bright, carving dancing patterns in flight. Against the gray their colors show, little lights in the winter glow. Snowflakes landing on delicate wings, silent night where the melody sings. Frosty breath rising like sweet perfume, in a world where coldness can bloom. Tiny footprints in the icy ground, echo of chirps, the only sound.